Okay. Yes. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really pleased to see this vibrant audience filled with our mothers, our fathers, my fellow youths, and pupils. Thank you very much for coming through. My name is Chrisper Ms, the Vice Chairperson for EcoStewards for Health Initiative. And I'll be giving you a brief introduction about EcoStewards for Health Initiative. So I'll be brief and I require your undivided attention because my voice is small. Alright, so before I go any further, let's look at the driving force to this seminar that we're having today, which is EcoStewards for Health Initiative. And I'm sure, okay, alright. I was about to give you a brief introduction about EcoStewards for Health Initiative. So I'm sure most of you're not aware of this organization and you're just seeing it. What is EcoStewards for Health Initiative, right? So EcoStewards for Health Initiative is a community-driven organization that dedicates itself to promoting environmental sustainability, public health, and climate resilience. How do we do that? We do that through education, advocacy, and hands-on initiatives. Like what we're here today, we're not just going to learn, we're going to demonstrate how to make this. So that's one of the hands-on projects that we do. Yes. The key pillars for EcoStewards for Health Initiative will go that environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability, this is where we try by all means to empower the youths and the community on how to use eco-friendly initiatives, on how to manage our waste, because we're more into waste management, because we've seen that and realized that it's a hazard to us and all the living things on Earth. We have climate action. What we do with climate action, we do plant trees, and we post, we raise awareness on what should be done to try to fight climate change. And for tree planting, we work with Zambia Plant Trees and Lusaka City Council. Then we have youth and community engagement. So I'm sure we can all see, like in this room, it's not just youths who are here, we are combined. So we try by all means to engage each and every person in our organization, because we believe we are all involved in this thing and we have to fight it together. So the next thing is, next slide please, is on our mission and our vision, and I'm sure most of you have read our mission and our vision. So in simple terms, our mission is simply to empower the communities and the youths out there, to empower each and every person to use sustainable ways of doing things or initiatives. Then we have our vision, which is where we want to see a world where people and nature can coexist together to promote a healthier planet or future for all. Because we do not want to destroy what we have right now. We still have next generations, so we should be responsible with how we take care of ourselves and the environment. Because the environment is you and everything around you. So what you do with yourself and everything around you matters. Next slide. So why do we exist? So us as EcoStewards for Health Initiative, we have realized to say climate change, pollution, and mismanagement of waste is a threat to our lives and all living organisms. It does not just affect us, but everything around us, even plants nowadays. We can see that due to some of the things that we do, we end up destroying our own plants and the things that we use, especially on our soil. Yes, so we try by all means to engage people on that, teaching them the eco-friendly way of how to manage things. So we decided to act as a bridge between the environment and public health. That's us. Why do we exist? That's the main reason why we exist as EcoStewards for Health Initiative. So we decided to act as a bridge between the environment and public health. That's us. Why do we exist? That's the main reason why we exist as EcoStewards for Health Initiative. So what we do, or what we have done, is climate change awareness campaigns. We usually do that. I know most of us were not, a Facebook page, we're not friendly and familiar. I wish I came with the scan card so that you can scan and follow our pages, because we do a lot of awareness there. And we usually have, we go out to sensitize the people out there and schools, because it starts with us, and we start with these little ones, teaching them about the hazards and everything, because not everyone knows about environmental health. Then we have waste management and recycling. This we've been actively engaged almost on all weekends. We work with the Lusaka City Council to go out for cleanups in town. We've got different places that we've visited. So we recycle plastic bottles, and we don't just recycle to keep. When we get those bottles, we resell them. There's money in these things that we consider to be trash. These bottles that are on your tables, you can actually earn something from it. So when we collect, we are given that opportunity to sell to a recycling company, and then they make other things out of these bottles. Yes. Then we've got green job training and sustainable entrepreneurship. So what we're doing today is one of the things that are under the green job training and sustainable entrepreneurship. So you're not just here to learn and keep it. You are here to learn so that you can practice when you go back. Some of you, this can be your business. When you get back, you start making this, you start selling. Trust me, there's money into composting. That's why we're going to turn trash into treasure, for you to start earning your own money. Then we have health and environmental research and advocacy. So in our team, we've got people who are highly qualified into research. So we go out there, especially the clubs that we've opened for environmental health clubs. We work hand in hand into research. We learn, we assess, and then we see how best we can come in as an organization to solve a problem in the community. Then we have